Hi, I'm Jim Walzak, your About Guide to four-wheel drive and off-roading. So you bought your first Jeep, you're ready to take it off-road, or want to take this top down. And I'm sure that brings up plenty of questions. One, are there special tools required? If I get this top down, will I be able to get it back up in one piece? You know what, it's not that hard to do. We're going to show you how in less than 10 minutes we can take this top down and be ready to enjoy a beautiful day around town or off-road with the top down. The first step to removing the top on this Jeep is to remove the windows. On the side windows, undo the Velcro that runs along the top and rear of the window. Start at the rear and pull the zipper towards the front, untucking the bottom retainer as you go. On the rear window, open the door, grip the bottom retainer bar and rotate upwards toward you. When unzipping the rear window, both the left and the right zipper go all the way to the end at the bottom left corner. Unclip and move the sun visors to the side, and release the header latches and hooks from the windshield slots. Start at the rear and pull down and out with the fabric to untuck the drip rail retainers from the door frame. Now just fold back the Sunrider top. On days that you don't want a lot of wind, you can stop here and enjoy the largest sunroof in the industry. If you're going to stop at the Sunrider, remember to use the supplied straps to secure the rails from flopping around during travel. Also, secure the latches into the grooves so that they won't flop around. Untuck the sail panels and fold them onto the top of the soft top. So after we release these, then we fold them up on top of the roof. So now that we have the Sunrider back and we have the backs up on top, we're going to release these pins and we're going to drop the top. The release pins are located just above the door frame. There's a pull ring to grasp located inside the Jeep. I like to pull easily forward on the frame to release some tension as I pull the pin. The first few times this may be quite snug. And you'll see that this top will go right into the frame. Make sure that the sides of the top are folded inward. I'm just tucking them inside here. After the top is completely down, everything should rest pretty flat. Here you see the drip rails from the Sunrider. They'll need to be tucked in to avoid wearing the fabric or flapping on the paint. Now you're ready to hit the road with the soft top down. For About.com, I'm Jim Walzak, your guide to four-wheel drive and off-roading.